Welcome back to Just Kiwi's DIYs. I am back with another cute and fun tutorial. This time I am making a nameplate for a nursery. And if you guys want to see how I made it, please stay tuned. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bells to stay up to date with my latest crafts. Okay, let's hop right into it. I'm going to start off with staining the wood because it is unfinished. As you can see, my son thinks we're playing a game. So you see those multitasking skills? I'm like, okay, let's do this. I can do this and that at the same time, but just leave it on for 5 minutes if you want it really dark. I didn't, so as soon as I was done painting this side, or I should say staining this side, I wiped it off immediately. This is how it looks, and I really do like the color of it. Make sure you seal in your wood stain. Any polyurethane or acrylic spray will work for it. I have all my supplies here that I need, the flowers, the stencils that I printed off from my Cricut machine. I got the E6000 hot glue gun, so let's get it. I'm gonna cut the name out first because it is the biggest and it is in cursive, so I know it's gonna take a long time to thread this part. I'm just cutting out the second part, which is the middle name. Okay, now that that's done, let's go back to the name, and I'm going to cut out some transparent paper and stick it onto the wooden plaque. Side note, it is easier to stick on this transparent paper with wood than it is on glass or like plastic because it doesn't get stuck like that. Let's smooth it out, make sure it is stuck and not going nowhere. Peel it off, and voila, it is on there. We're going to do the same for the middle name. Now my angle on my camera kind of looks crooked, but I promise you it's not crooked at all. Okay, now the hard part is done. Let's make it cute and fancy. I'm taking the flowers off the stem just to make it easier to stick on. Also, make sure you have some wire cutters handy to cut these ones off. Before I do anything, I'm just going to arrange it on here just to see how I want it to look and how full I want it to look. Okay, I have my final look, so let's just start gluing it on. I did a lot of E6000 and I just did the hot glue gun just to make sure it sticks right away. Y'all, I cannot believe how beautiful this turned out. I cannot wait until my friend gets it so she can put it up in her nursery. But like I always say, if you don't want to buy it, just DIY it. Thank you for watching my channel.